So by going to the bank direct, you'll only have access to their mortgage products. And because there are hundreds of different mortgage products across the UK market, offered by over 90 lenders, it's highly unlikely that you will find your most suitable mortgage product by randomly selecting a lender that you might know of. A whole of market mortgage broker plays a really important role in the market because we can find the best lender for your exact circumstances. We then take all the stress away from you by advising on your best options, preparing the application and submitting it, certifying documents, chasing the lender, and ensuring that your mortgage is offered as quickly as possible. Whereas if you go direct to the bank for a mortgage, you will need to do all of that work yourself, which can cause a lot of headaches. What's even better with our service at Boon Brokers is that our advisors don't charge any client fees, which is not really normal for the industry. Like all brokers, we receive what's called a procuration fee, which is like a commission, paid from the lender at the end of the process. But unlike most mortgage brokers, we choose not to charge a fee on top of this to the client, and this can save you hundreds or thousands of pounds in broker fees over the course of your mortgage term. Read our blog, linked below on the topic, if you would like to learn more. And if you would like to learn more about our mortgage broker services, then contact Boon Brokers on boonbrokers.co.uk, where you can arrange your free mortgage consultation.